My name is Teresa Zarmer. I'm a senior at Mountain View High School. As presidents, what we do for the team is organize fundraising. We run on a budget of about $30,000 that needs to be fundraised every year. We have to run weekly team meetings. We run logistics of traveling, getting the team in one piece from A to B, and also when we do team training at the beginning of the year when we have new members, we have to organize all of that. Today is part of what we call Silicon Valley Regional, and there are about 50 teams here. It's a 3-day competition. It's been going pretty well. We have lost 2 of our matches, but we still managed to hold on to the first seeded position because it's dependent on what they call your seeding points, which are not only if you win or lose, but whether you cooperate. So if you can get a robot from your alliance and your robot on another alliance to both balance, it can kind of cover your losses that way. So we've been fortunate enough to co-op every time but one, which is really, really good. I help run what we call our scouting department. So we have people in the stands watching all of the other robots because we play on 3 versus 3 alliances. So halfway through Saturday, there's a process to select your final alliance. And if you don't have data to know what all the other robots are like, then you could be picking a robot that's going to break in the middle of your finals match. I know I know everything about teams that we're going to be playing with in our qualification matches and teams we're going to be playing against in our qualification matches, so that I can talk to the drive coach and tell him who should he put on defense, where we need to start for autonomous, and if it's going to be a really, really hard match and we really need to focus on our intake or something like that.
Hi, I'm Nick Crispy. I'm team captain. I'm a junior at Mountain View High School. You learn a lot of cooperation in real-world circumstances where you have to work with other people. And you also learn some engineering principles like designing well to structurally sound parts, and also electronics and certain computer programming. So there's a wide range of things people can learn, and I've learned, and probably the most important thing is sort of management and working together to try and move towards a certain goal with a certain schedule in mind, and that's really difficult to get. The whole experience is really difficult to get inside of school, so that's why this program is really valuable.
Experience. Well, there's not much you get in school. You study, you take tests for academics, you have to learn certain pages on certain days and then get compared to others. This is so different than that. You go out there, you get in a club, you come up with ideas, you build things, ideas of things that don't exist yet, you make them. Nobody else fed you the plans. These aren't learned out of a book. It isn't somebody else's knowledge, it's your own. When you're done, you've done it yourself. That is so motivating. So many of the people that get started with first wind up going into engineering or appreciating their lives or getting technical jobs, and that's where we're going to create the future.